Hello everyone, Namaste, and first of all, Happy Diwali to you all. And now, welcome to my channel, Code with Pooja Gupta. I am Pooja Gupta here, and I am here to solve LeetCode questions with you. And today is our 11th day of consistency, and I'm very happy that it's 11th day and we are together. So let's continue with the next question I took together, and it's Diwali night. So please, focus on my voice and ignore the crackle sound which is in my surrounding. So let's continue with the question. So today I took a LeetCode question and related to array, and the question number is 1295, and the title is find the numbers with the even number of digits. Okay, so what the title implies, first I have to explain this thing. Find the numbers with even number of digits. So what implies that even number of digits? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 23, 4, 5, 7. Okay, and 1, 0, 0, 1. First of all, what are the even numbers? Even numbers like 2, 4, and 6 are the even numbers. Okay, so 1 having 1 digit, 223 having 2 digits. Okay, and 457 have 3 digits. Similar as 1001,001 having 4 digits. So the question wants that find the number of not so from here even number of digits. Okay, so 1 is an even number of digits. No. 223 is an even number of digits. Yes. 453 is an even number of digits. No. 1001 is even digit. Yes, it is an even number of digits. Okay, so now the question tells find the number of even digits. Okay, so even number of digits, how many in this particular scenario, how many numbers have an even number of digits? So it is 23 and 1001. Okay, so here total two numbers, those have even number of digits. Similarly, in the same way we have to find, let's continue the question. Okay, now in the same way we have to find the even number of digits number in the array. Okay, so let's continue the question. It is an easy level of question. Okay, so given an array nums of integers, okay, return how many of them contain an even number of digits. Okay, so we have to return a total number of the number those have even number of digits. Okay, so return example. So nums having 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 6. Okay, these are the number given in a nums array. Now, 12 contain even number of digits. Yes, so 1. 345, no. 2, no. 6, no. 4, 7, 4, 7, 8, 9, 6 is an even. Yeah. So how many total? Total 2. The output will be 2. So similarly, what I have said is here in the description. Okay, you can go through it. Now, 3 digits, so not an even, not an even, not even. It's even. What? Why it's even? 7, 3, 1, 7, 7, and 1. It having a 4 digits total, so it is an even. Okay. Now, let's continue with the constraint part. So one of the most important thing in the question, constraints. So length of array. So the length of array any between 1 to 500. It means an array contain at least one or max to max 500 elements in it. And array contain any element between 1 to 10 to the power 5. Okay. Now continue with the boilerplate code. So first of all, what they want? They want that we have to count total number of even digits. So we need a count variable which will contain it how many digits are okay. Now we need another function to check that it is an even number of digit or not. So first of all we have to create an even method. So static now we need to give them true or false, that it is an even or not. Okay, so that's why we use boolean. So static public and then boolean. Okay, now is even function. Okay, I will create is even function. And what will take, it take a value number. Okay, now how will take it, how will know that it is even or not? While num is not equal to 0, what we have now, how to count the total number of digits? So count by using this while loop. While num is not equal to num divided by 10, and we need another variable here. I'll take just number. Okay, total number, that what are the count. Okay, so number plus plus. So I will just illustrate the how this will count total number. Let's continue with 141. Okay, now here now I am taking this number to find as a num. Okay, now and for now number equals to 0, which is used to count total number of digits. Okay, now in the first iteration, what is the value of num? 141. It is not equal to 0. Yes, it is not equal to 0. Then we will continue in second thing. Num will contain num by 10. Okay, so num by 10, 141 divide by 10. What will be the output? First of all, it will divide by 100. What will be done? 41. Okay, now what will return? Then again by 4. It will remain remainder 1. Okay, so what will be the answer? 14. So num will contain now 14. Okay, and then num plus plus. This number will be plus plus. So number will be 1. Okay, again. Now what is the value of num? Num will be 14 here now. So if num will be 14, if num will be 14, num will now num will be 14 here. Num will be what? 14. Sorry. Num will be 14. Okay, so is 14 is less than 0? No, it's greater than 0. So 14 again. 14 by 10. What will be the answer? Answer will be 1. So 1 will again load it to assign to num. Okay, now increase the number with 1. So what will be? It 2. Now again, is 1 is less than 0? No. So 1 will be again go inside, and 1 divided by 10. What will we get? 0.000. Okay, so now we are using here integer. So 0.111 will be typecast. Upcasting will be done, and this will be written as 0. Okay, now 0 and again num1 will equal to increases. So it will totally become 3. This is how the total number of integers will count. I think you will get it. If you have any kind of doubt, please comment down. I will clear you there. Okay, so this number will be used. Now we have to check that is number is even or not. So number having total number of numbers are even or not. So we will modulo it by 2, total number total by 2, and it will, if it was good, so it will return true. It means it was having even number of digits, so it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so this is the function which is I will use to know that number of digits are even or not. Now I am using here for each loop. in nums. I can also use a for loop, but I think I don't need to iterate it. I don't want to count how much length I have counted, because I am here dealing with the total numbers, not the length and any kind of thing. Okay, that's fine. Now, if is even, and then put x inside it. If is it good, then count plus plus. Okay. Now, what the whole thing will be happening here in this thing. Okay. So first of all, the x will be used. Okay. So I'm taking this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3. Okay. So first of all, in for each loop, what will be the element will take x. Now is checking if is even, x will possess is 1, then this 1 will be gone here, and it will checking here that is 1 is even, no, 1 is not even, so it will return false. So if a block will not execute it, and it will continue the iteration. Okay, now again in x it will be 23. So 23 is an even, yes, it is true, it is even, because it was written here true. So if was true, then it will be continue with the if block, and count will be 1 1. Now this process is continued till the to all the total number of nums, and at last what we have to do, we have to do count. That's it. This is the whole code we need to do this. Okay, now I'm ready to run the code. Now running the code. My network. Okay, so both the test cases are going good. It was giving the 2 which is listed are here, and it was giving 1 which is special. So my code is running fine, ready to submit the code. Let's hope it will give us right answer. Yeah, it is giving us the right answer. Okay, so total runtime for a code we are writing was 1 millisecond, and 97, almost 98% of people we are beating, okay, with this code. And the total memory used for this code is 34 MB, which is quite large for me, because this was not a question. It will contain 43 MB. Okay, I will try to minimize this in my further videos if I have. And with 29% of memory, which is not so large, but the runtime was quite good. So guys, I am done with this question, and the whole description I explained you in my video, and also the test cases are also. And if you have any doubt regarding the code, and you can DM me, sorry, not DM, please comment down in my video, and I will definitely reply you. And if you have further doubts, then you can follow this code, and you can also chat GPT, because ChatGPT is more intelligent than me. So, guys, I am done with this question, and well, at last, happy Diwali, and be happy, and all the prosperity you will achieve, and you will achieve your all ambitions. And last, happy Diwali. Bye bye. Stay tuned with me, and like, share, subscribe my videos. It's really important for me.